Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 18th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think this is going up to at least the 55 or 56 area. So I do think it looks like a wave 5, but there is definitely no evidence that this wave 5 is over as of yet. Going down to the weekly, we are definitely approaching a fib level, but there's no reason that it needs to stop at this fib level. It could easily go up to one of these higher fib levels very, very easily. So until we see that there's an end of a trend, which you definitely could identify the end of a trend if you know how to read markets, then I am definitely going to primarily be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the daily, I would think that this 100% fib extension would be an area of resistance, but to me it kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3. If it is a 1, 2, 3, this kind of looks too small to be a complete wave 3, which makes me think that it may actually break out of this 100% fib level and may just keep on trending up. We're going to have to see how it reacts when it hits that level. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. Now this most recent trend right here does kind of look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if it bounces from this fib level, breaks structure, then that will turn me into a seller. But otherwise, I am definitely still a buyer, and if it just bounces and makes a normal pullback without a break of structure, I will definitely continue to look for buys at the end of pullbacks every single chance I get. Heading right down to the 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour time frame, you could see a couple different possibilities here. Now, one is that this is definitely 5 ways down, which makes me think it's only a wave A, and that this move up is actually only a wave B, and that it actually is going to go down to a lower fib level to make a wave C before it actually goes up. Now, the only problem is that sometimes what we think is a wave B is not even a wave B, and it just keeps on drifting up from here. So the question I would have is whether this is actually the end of a correction, and this is a motive wave correction, or whether it's actually a traditional ABC correction, and it actually ends up going down before it actually goes up to make a proper ABC. Either way, I would definitely be looking for longs, and I would definitely be looking to get long at the end of pullbacks, especially if it makes a more traditional ABC pullback. That's going to make for a much, much clearer entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my trade setups by signing up at my website fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.